Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use WhatsApp in two phones with one number. You can use same WhatsApp account on two phones by linking one phone as a companion device. This lets you access your chats on both phones while using the same phone number. Both devices will stay synchronized, although some features may require the primary phone to have connected recently. So to begin, make sure WhatsApp is installed on both Android phones. Then open WhatsApp in your primary phone and verify that your account is already set up. Open WhatsApp on your second phone and on the welcome screen, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then choose the tap settings, tap the plus button, choose add WhatsApp account. Tap agree and continue, tap the three dots and select link as companion device. Wait for the QR code to appear on the second phone, then return to your primary phone and open WhatsApp. Tap the three-dot menu and select link devices. Tap link a device and use your primary phone to scan the QR code displayed on the second phone. Wait while WhatsApp securely links and syncs your conversations. Keep both phones connected to the internet until the initial synchronization is complete. Open WhatsApp on the second phone, then confirm that your chats and messages have synced. Continue using WhatsApp on both phones with the same phone number, reconnecting to the internet periodically to keep your devices synchronized. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.